Firefighting systems are installed in buildings to detect, control, and put out fires. To make sure they work properly, most countries follow similar safety standards. The fundamental purpose of fire protection system is to prevent the spread of smoke and fire and ensure the occupants' safe escape. Passive fire protection is the use of building materials and design features that help slow down the spread of fire and smoke without needing any action or movement. Active fire protection involves systems of equipment that take action to detect, control, or put out a fire. This system require movement or activation such as fire alarms, sprinklers, and fire extinguisher. In our assignment building, we found several components in firefighting system. Firstly, we found fire extinguisher. The type of this fire extinguisher is dry powder. Dry powder extinguisher usually used for general fires such as solids, liquids, gases, and even electrical equipment. The pass technique is a simple way to remember the process. P is for pull the safety pin, A is for aim the nozzle at the base of fire, S is for squeeze the handle and release the agent, and lastly S is for sweep the nozzle side to side to cover the area of fire.
A fire alarm system is a building system that detects fire, smoke, or carbon monoxide to alert occupants and emergency service. It includes components like smoke, heat detectors, manual pull station, audible, visual alarms, and a central control panel that monitors the system and can even trigger suppression system like sprinklers. There are two main types. That is conventional system for smaller buildings and more detailed addressable system for a larger one. How it works. Detection. Sensor like smoke and heat detectors or manual pull station detect a fire. Alerting. Once a fire is detected, the system activates alarms such as sirens, horns, and strobe lights to warn occupants to evacuate. Communication. The system can send a signal to a remote monitoring station or directly to the fire department, notifying them of the emergency. Suppression. Some advanced systems can automatically activate fire suppression system like sprinklers to control the fire. Type of system. Conventional. Often used in smaller buildings, this system group detectors into zones. When an alarm sounds, the control panel shows the zone where the fire is located, but not the specific device. Addressable. Each device on the system is assigned a unique address. This allows the control panel to pinpoint the exact location of the fire for a more precise response. Maintenance and important reliability. Regular maintenance, including routine testing and professional inspections, is essential to ensure the systems function correctly in an emergency. Compliance. A reliable fire alarm system is required in most commercial buildings and is critical for the safety of occupants and assets. Hose reel. A hose reel system is hydraulic fire safety system that uses a permanently connected water supply to provide a controlled water stream for manual firefighting. It consists of a hose reel with nozzle connected to a network of pipes that are strategically placed throughout a building. In a fire, a user manually activates the system by turning a valve and directing the water with the nozzle to combat the components and function. Hose reel and nozzle. The reel holds the hose, allowing it to be quickly unwound and deployed. The nozzle at the end controls the direction and flow of the water. Water supply. A main water supply is connected to the system, ensuring a constant water source. A pump may also be included to automatically activate if water pressure drops, maintaining a steady flow. Pipes and valves. A network of pipes connects the water supplied to the hose rails located throughout a building. A main control valve is used to turn the water on and off. Operation. To use the system, a user opens the control valve, removes the nozzle from its bracket, and direct the water at the fire. Key features: accessibility. Hose rails are strategically placed in buildings to ensure easy access in case of a fire, with a hose length typically between 30 and 36 meters. Manual operation. These are manual systems that rely on a person to operate them, making it crucial to have basic training on how to use them effectively. Location. They are commonly installed in commercial buildings, high-rise residential buildings, and industrial facilities.
Distribution board, that also known as a breaker panel or electrical panel, is a critical component in electrical system. A distribution panel receives electrical power from the main switchboard and distributes to various branch circuits such as lighting sockets and air conditioning units. It also provides protection against overloads and short circuit by using circuit breakers that trip and stop the flow of electricity to help keep the building safe. There are three types of distribution systems: radial system, ring main distribution, and rising main distribution. We found that this building uses a radial system. This type of distribution is suitable for moderate and predictable loads such as lighting, socket outlets, computers, and library equipment. The ring main distribution system is suitable for large development sites where loads are located around the perimeter, such as holiday resort, small factories, and residential complex. The rising main distribution system is used in multi-story buildings, typically 5 stories and above. It uses vertical conductors to supply electrical power to each floor efficiently. There are three types of ducting layouts: the grid layout, branching layout, and perimeter layout. This building uses a grid layout, which is suitable for open plan office floor. It typically has a grid spacing of 1.5 meter to 2.5 meter and is considered the most flexible arrangement. Junction boxes are located in the floor where telephone and electrical outlets can be accessed. The branching layout is used in open plan office that include permanent rooms or partition areas. It consists of a central feeder duct installed along the corridor with branch ducts leading into individual rooms. Examples include hotels and apartment buildings. The perimeter layout is suitable for partition office with rooms along the external wall. The feeder duct is placed approximately 450 mm from the outside wall and has a short branch ducts to junction boxes feeding wall outlets for electrical and communication service.